everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.3 fifth sum. Okay, find products using the properties. Now the first question is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. This is the question. You need to find the product but using the properties. Fine. Now this looks like a distributive property and the property I have written here, it is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Fine. Now in these two, what you can see, minus 48 is a common, that acts as a A. Now remaining is 26 here and here minus 36. So if you subtract these two, you will get minus 10. So minus into minus is plus, 48 into 10 is 480. I hope you understood this, right? Question number 2 now. 8 into 53 into 125. Now this is associative property. It means you can change the places. So 8 I have written here, minus 125 I have written here, this 53 I have written here. When you multiply 8 with a 125, you will get 1000. So I have written minus here. Now it is easy to multiply. 1000 into 53 is minus 53,000. Fine. Now let us move on to the next question, that is C. 15 into minus 25 into 4 into minus 10. Again you can use the associative. It means you can change the places. Minus 25 I have written here, minus 4 I have written here, minus 10 I have written here. What I have done is I have shifted this 15 to the last. Now 25 4s are 100, minus into minus plus, 10 into 15 is minus 150 because there is a minus here. Now it is easy. Minus 150 I have written here, 2 zeros I have written here. That's it. Fine. D. Minus 41 into 102. This is distributive. What we can do here is, you can see here the formula. Minus 41 I have written as it is. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now multiply this. Minus 41 into 100. Minus 41 into 2. Okay, if you multiply these, then you will get minus 4100, plus into minus is minus, 41 into 2 is 82. Add these two, you will get a minus 4182. Right. Now E. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. So let us use a distributive property for this. Now again distributive property. 625 I have written here, 625, minus 35 I have written here. This minus I have taken to the 65, that is minus 65. So minus 35 is minus 35 minus 65 is minus 100. Now take this minus outside here, 625, and write these 2 zeros here. This completes the question number E. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is 7 into 50 minus 2. This is distributive property. How? 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. 7 5s are 35, so it is 350, minus 7 2s are 14. If you subtract, you will get 336. Now G. Minus 17 into minus 29. Again distributive property. Minus 17 minus 29 can be written as minus 30 plus 1. Okay. Now minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. Minus into minus is plus. If you multiply this, 510 plus into minus is minus, 17 ones are 17. If you subtract these two, you will get 493. Fine. H. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Now this is the distributive property. What I have done is, I have taken 57 as a common. Minus into minus is plus, so I have taken 19 plus, since I have taken 57 common, 1 is left here, so it is 1. Are you understanding? 57 I have taken common, minus into minus is plus, so 19 plus, since I have taken 57 common, 1 is will be remaining here. So 19 plus 1 is 20. So if you multiply these two, you will get 1140. So let's move on to the sixth question. Now sixth question is, a certain freezing process required that room temperature be lowered from 40 degree at a rate of 5 degree every 1 hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after process begins? So what I have done is, I have written here after 10 hours room temperature. Initially it was 40 degree, so I have written 40 degree here. Minus, because it is lowered, every 1 hour, so 5 degree I have written. Fine, because it is every hour. So next 10 hours, so 10. So 5 tens are 50, 40 minus 50 is minus 10, because bigger number has a minus sign. So it is minus 10 degree centigrade. Fine, let's move on to the seventh question. Now seventh question. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks awarded for every correct answer, minus 2 marks awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 marks for not attempted questions. Okay, now first one, Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. So what is his total score? So total score is correct plus incorrect. Correct, how many are there? 4 are there, and 5 marks are awarded for a correct answer. So this 5 and this 4 I am multiplying here, because both are correct, plus incorrect. So minus 2 is awarded for incorrect. How many? Minus 2. So I have written here. And here 6 incorrect. So I have written here 6. Fine. 5 4s are 20. Plus into minus. Minus 2 6 are 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. Over. Second one. Reshma gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is her total score? Now total means correct plus incorrect. Here how many are correct? 5. Here in the question it is 5 marks. So 5 into 5 plus incorrect. Minus 2 is for incorrect. So I have written here minus 2. And here 5. Fine. 5 5s are 25 plus into minus. Minus 2 5s are 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. Fine. Let's go to the third one. Now Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. What is her total score? So total means what I have told, correct plus incorrect. Correct is 2. Here 5 marks are awarded. So 5 into 2 plus 5 is incorrect, but minus 2 marks is awarded. So minus 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10, plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. This completes your 7th question. Let us move on to the next question. Now 8th question. A cement company earns a profit of 8 per bag of a white cement. Remember, white cement 8 sold, and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of a grey cement sold. Okay, a company sells 3000 bags of a white cement and 5000 bags of a grey cement in a month. So what is the profit and the loss? Clearly it is a loss. How? Let us see here. Grey minus white. Now how much is grey? 5000. So 5000 into, here how much they have given? 5 rupees. Okay, 5000 into 5. 5000 bags, 5 rupees, minus this white cement is 3000, and here white cement is 8. Fine, 8 rupees. So 5000 into 5 is 25000, minus 3 8s are 24000. So if you subtract this, you will get a 1000 rupees loss in occurred. So second question, what is the number of white cement bags if it is to sell have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags? So they are asking what is the number of white bags. Fine. number of white cement is 6400 bags into grey, because if number of grey bags they have told, so into grey divided by white, because we want white cement bags. Fine. 6400 into grey. Grey in the question how much it is? 5 rupees. So it is 5. And white in the question they have given 8. So 8 ones are 8 8s are 64. So 800 into 5. So 5 8s are 40. So it is 4000 bags. Fine. This completes your entire exercise 1.2. Let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise 1.4. So evaluate, first question is minus 30 divided by 10. So how do we write this? Minus 30 divided by 10. 0 0 get cancelled. The answer is minus 3. Fine. Now second question is 50 divided by minus 5. So how do we write that? 50 divided by minus 5. 5 ones are, 5 tens are. Since there is a minus here, so I have written minus. Fine. C. Minus 36 divided by minus 9. So minus 36 divided by minus 9. Minus into minus is plus. 9 ones are, 9 fours are. Okay. Now D. Minus 49 divided by 49. Minus 49 in the numerator, 49 in the denominator. 49 49 get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 1 is remaining. So E. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1. So I have written in denominator. This 13 in the numerator. 13 divided by minus 1 is minus 13. Okay. So F. 0 divided by minus 12. 0 in the numerator, minus 12 in the denominator. 0 divided by anything is a 0. Okay. Now G. Minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus of minus 1. Minus 30 minus 1 is minus 31. This minus 31 in the numerator. Minus 30 minus 1 is minus 31 in the denominator. Minus minus get cancelled. 31 31 get cancelled. So answer is 1. H. Minus 36 divided by 12. So minus 36 divided by 12. 12 ones are, 12 threes are. Fine. This divided by 3 I have written here. So minus 3 divided by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. So the final answer is minus 1. Now I. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Divide minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 divided by 1 is 1 itself. The second question is verify A divided by B plus C is not equal to, this sign is a not equal to, A divided by B plus A divided by C. So the first question is A value is 12, B value is minus 4, C value is 2. I need to substitute these values in this. In place of A, 12 divided by, in place of B, minus 4 plus 2 not equal to, in place of A, 12 divided by minus 4 plus, in place of A, 12 divided by 2. Okay. Now minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Now 12 divided by 2 is minus 6, because 2 6 are 12, so it is minus 6. Now 12 divided by 4 is a minus 3, because there is a minus here. 4 3s are 12. Now 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3, and this is minus 6. So minus 6 is not equal to 3. Now second question. A is equal to minus 10, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. So substituting in this, A value is minus 10 divided by, B value and C value is 1 plus 1. Okay, not equal to minus 10 divided by 1 from here, and minus 10 divided by 1 from here. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is minus 5. Now 10 divided by 1 is 10, that is minus because of minus here. Minus 10 divided by 1 is minus 10. So minus 10 is minus 20. So minus 5 is not equal to minus 20. So let's go to the next sum. Third question is fill in the blanks. Now in that 369 divided by dash is equal to 369. What I need to write here to get the 369? That is 1. 369 divided by 1 is 369. Now B, minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. So here what I need to write to get answer as a minus 1. You need to write the same number, but you need to not mention this minus. So it is 75. C, minus 207 divided by dash is equal to 1. So you need to write the same number to get answer as a 1. Right? So D, minus 87 divided by dash is equal to 87. Here it is negative 87, here it is positive 87. So you need to write here minus 1. So E, minus 87 dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 87. So what you need to write here? You need to write the same thing, that is minus 87. Okay. So F, so minus 48 divided by 48 is equal to 1. Same number but opposite in sign, so that we get the answer as a minus 1. G, 20 divided by dash is equal to minus 2. So 2 tens are, so you need to write here minus 10. So H, minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to dash. So 4 3s are 12. Since there is a minus, so I have written minus here. Now fourth question, write 5 pairs of integers in this form, that is a divided by b is equal to minus 3. It means you need to write these pairs finding a value and a b value suitably to get answer minus 3. Now 6 and minus 2. So 6 divided by 2, that is minus 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are, so minus 3. So I have got minus 3. So a value has become 6, b value has become minus 2. Now next pair is 9 and 3. So 3 threes are 9. So here 9 divided by minus 3, the answer is minus 3. You can see here all the answers are minus 3. It means that you need to find a and b value. Now next a and b values is minus 15 and 5. 5 threes are. Fine. Minus 18 and 6. 6 threes are 18. Okay. Minus 12 and 4. 4 threes are 21 and 7. 7 threes are. Fine. So I hope you are understanding this. Let's move on to the next question. Now fifth question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0. Okay. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per hour until midnight, at what time would temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So simple, I have solved here. Temperature required is 10 degree above 0, right? Decreases, so minus 8 degree below 0, so I have written minus 8 because it is below 0. Okay, minus into minus plus 10 plus 8 is a 18 degree Celsius. Fine, this was about the temperature. Now they are asking what time. So time is equal to the answer what we have got, that is 18 degrees Celsius divided by 2 degree per hour. So I have written here 2 degree. So 2 ones are 2 nines are. So the answer is 9 PM. That is time. This is the simplest answer. Fine. Now let's move on to the sixth question. In a class test, 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for incorrect answer. So Radhika scored 20 marks if she got 12 correct. How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? They are asking how many questions. So marks lost is 20 is the where it is 20 marks. So Radhika scored 20 marks. So this is 20 is the total. Minus she got 12 correct. So 3 marks is awarded. So 3 into 12 correct. 12 3s are 36. 20 minus 36 is minus 16. It means she lost 16 marks. Now they are asking how many questions. So number of questions is equal to this minus 16 right here. And since it is incorrect, question is incorrect. So right here minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 2 ones are and 2 eights are. So how many questions it was? 8 questions. Got it? So let's move on to the next one. Mohini scores -5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? So marks lost is -5 minus 7 are correct. So correct is awarded by 3 marks. So 7 3s are 21. Since there is a minus here, so minus here. So both are minus. So -5 minus 21 is -26. So number of questions is -26 divided by -2. This -2 because it is incorrectly. So minus minus get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 13s are. Fine. This is the answer. So the last question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at a rate of 6 meters per minute. If descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -350 meters? Now total distance is here 10 meter above the ground level minus 350. Okay, so minus into minus is plus. 10 plus 350 is a 360 meters, because 10 meter is above and 350 meter is below, so it is 360 meters total. So how much time taken? So 360 divided by 6, because it is 6 meter per minute. So 6 6 are 36, it is 60 minutes. You can write 60 minutes or you can write 1 hour. I hope you understood this entire exercise, and this completes the chapter. Thank you very much for watching, and keep watching other videos for more chapters.